Welcome back, future medicos. In this video we will see the cutoff marks for Kerala private medical colleges under All India Merit category for the year 2022 for round 2 counseling. So round 2 counseling results has been published yesterday, and today the final results also has been published. Yesterday was a provisional results and today the final results has been published by Kerala. So we are going to look at the cutoff marks. We will compare the cutoff marks between round 1 and round 2, and we will also see 2021 round 2 what was the cutoff, right? But before going in, I just wanted to highlight one small point. Malabar Medical College, Kozhikode, there is an increase of 50 seats compared to round 1. In round 1 they had 150 seats, but in round 2 the seats has been increased to 200. So accordingly, the All India Merit seats also has increased from 23 to 30 seats. So compared to round 1, there is a increase of 7 seats. From 363 seats in round 1, we have 370 seats. That's the advantage in round 2. Now let's look at the cutoff. Once again, Jubilee Mission Medical College, that is the top college in terms of cutoff marks. In round 1 it had 612 marks, in round 2 601 mark. And if you look at 2021 round 2, in terms of NEET score is almost the same. But of course, in terms of state rank, this year is slightly better, right? About 166 ranks lower. So if you look at most of the colleges compared to last year, this year the closing ranks are slightly better, in the sense more candidates have got seats. Last year the closing was somewhere around 4,861. This year about 4,886. So not much, slightly, right? Maybe about like 25 ranks lower. And in terms of NEET score also, not much. I don't see big difference, about 2 marks. Okay, so more or less, right? Of course, individual colleges there are differences, but I think the overall closing rank is more or less the same as last year. Okay, anyway, I provided the data, you can just take a look. I will compare round 1 and round 2 for this year. So Jubilee Mission 601 mark. Then Amala Institute, there is a drop of about 8 marks. From 595 it dropped to 587. Malankara Orthodox Syrian Church 583, there is a 6 marks lesser. And Pushpagiri Institute, there is a drop of 10 marks, 588 to 578. Then MEBBS Medical College Malappuram, this is the college with the least drop. From 580 marks in round 1, it has dropped to 575 marks. Only 5 marks it has dropped. This is the least drop from round 1 to round 2. Believers Church, the closing score is 574. Sri Gokulam Medical College, the closing score is 569. SUT Academy of Medical Sciences, the closing score is 550. Dr. Somervell Memorial 549 marks. Malabar Medical College Kozhikode 544 marks. There is an increase of 7 seats. In spite of that, the cutoff has dropped not so much, by about 19 marks it has dropped. Then Travancore Medical College 543 marks. KMCT Medical College Kozhikode 542 marks. Then PK Das Medical College, in fact this is the college with the maximum drop in terms of NEET score. From 566 it has dropped by about 29 marks in round 2. From 566 to 537, right? 29 marks drop. That is the biggest drop from round 1 to round 2. And also you can take note that this is the college with the least cutoff last year. Okay, even though this year this is not the least cutoff, last year it was the least cutoff college. Then Karuna Medical College 535. Sri Narayana Institute of Medical Sciences Ernakulam, the closing score is 530 marks. Azizia Institute of Medical Sciences, the closing score is 528. Mount Zion Medical College, the closing score is 527. Dr. Mupans Medical College, also the closing score is 527. And finally, Al-Azhar Medical College, the closing score is 524. So if you compare to round 1, the closing score was 550. So from round 1 to round 2, there is a drop of about 26 marks it has dropped. And in terms of state rank, from 3,650 to 4,886. So about 1,200 ranks it has dropped, right? So that's the status as far as Kerala round 2 is concerned. It has closed around 524 marks. I think is a reasonable score compared to the fees charged by Kerala colleges. I think is a reasonable score. 524 is the closing score. Please comment in case if you have got a seat, which college you have got. In round 1, which college you got. Have you got an upgrade from round 1 to round 2? How do you like the round 1 college to round 2 college? Why did you move from round 1 to round 2? Right? If you can share some of your experiences, some of your findings about Kerala private medical colleges, it will be useful for other students, right? Thank you. Bye bye.